Namaste, Dr. S.P. Moosath. Today we are going to talk about smartwatches because now we have seen almost 75% 80% of people are using smartwatches, and how much it is convenient and how much it is useful for you. So I am just saying about what is the negative health negatives of a smartwatch. Of course, we know that we'll come to know how much calories you are using, how much you are able to walk per day, how much quality of sleep that you are getting. Everything will come to know with the smartwatch. But have you ever thought, like, if you know the functions of our body in deeply as a doctor, you'll be confused because that much sophisticated system is going on in our body. It's not only the oxygen level, it's not only the calories, it's not only the heart rate, etc., etc. Just think about, if you know or if you are able to see the procedures in an operation theater along with a doctor, how much you will be able to accept those things. Of course, I know that most of the people will be collapsed or they will be fainted because that much sophisticated things are going on in our body, and as a doctor will be doing that. So if you know as a layman all these things, you will be worried much. For example, last week a patient came in Chennai saying that, doctor, since 2 years I am following this smartwatch. According to the smartwatch, I am working. He came to me only because since 1 week his oxygen level is showing very less, heart rate also very less. So he was panicking first 1 or 2 days. Third day he just lost his sleep. Fourth day he is not able to take anything as a food because his smartwatch says his oxygen level is less. So he has searched in Google what are the criteria or the ways how my oxygen level is getting less. So he has seen n number of diseases that showing oxygen level less, even heart rate less. So he is assuming that he is having such disease. So he has gone through many blood tests, checkups, everything. So last 1 week lost my sleep. That's what he was saying. So at last I told him to just have a checkup for your smartwatch. So literally he called me 2 days back and he told that, doctor, my smartwatch battery was low. So have you thought how this can badly affect one's lifestyle? And if not only battery effect, there will be some fluctuations whenever your mood is different. If your sleep is less, your heart rate will be reduced. So if you are going to check each and every time with this heart rate and oxygen level, you will not be able to do anything. It's like in marma it says all our body is having one or other marma. If you touch here marma, people will say that that is a marma, you should not touch. So if you know the body marmas everywhere in the body, you will not be able to touch a person. It's very difficult to touch a person without touching the marma. So it's like that. Health related issues, doctors are there. You just have a family physician. Whatever the issues that you are having, just go and say that. It's not only calories and other things that you are seeing right now. So better make use of the smartwatch only for seeing the time. Use the smartwatch smartfully. Otherwise, you will end up in new diseases. As you have read what is written over here, the mind is everything. What you think, you become. So, if your mind says you are having some disease, as I told in that example, if he was thinking more another 1 week, he will end up in those diseases. Namaste.